Hello, welcome to Penina at Mswahili TV. Hujambo popote ulipo, karibu sana katika idhaa yangu. Tujifunze Kiswahili. Let's learn Kiswahili. Today I have a question for you. And the question reads, how many syllables are in the following Kiswahili words? How many syllables are in the following Kiswahili words? And the words are written here. The first one is nomino. Nomino. So give me the number of syllables found in the following. Nomino. Mtu, milima, barabara, kitanda, vitenzi, anacheza, ndiye, vielezi, vibaya, sana, magharibi, sakafuni, vivumishi, huyu, yao, lakini. I repeat again. Nomino. Mtu, milima, barabara, kitanda, vitenzi, anacheza, ndiye, vielezi, vibaya, sana, magharibi, sakafuni, vivumishi, huyu, yao, lakini. I have translated for you. Please let me know the number of syllables for each of the words given here. For more about the answers to this, visit my YouTube channel, Penina at Mswahili TV, and let's see if the answers you got are correct. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Kwaheri.